Well, I took the card out. Sorry, serial board. Took it out, put it over on the bench, and soldered up all of the ends of this cable. Touched them all up. They all looked good under the magnifying glass. But I went ahead and redid each of them just to make sure. Put it back in. And same thing. Push the cable. Starts working. Try this side. So it's not the connection to the floppy controller. It's on the serial board itself. And I don't get... If I just push it a little bit, it starts going. And it's just a little bit. So there, it's like when it's straight up. Now if I had the case lid on, it would probably push it down. Right, so about that much. I don't get it. All right. Any ideas would be great. I don't want to have to desolder this whole thing because that looks like a colossal pain in the butt. And put a new cable on. I kind of all I'm left with is like this cable. On, off, on, off. I don't know. And again, any ideas? I do have another serial board that I started building. Maybe that's the other option is, let me just finish building that other serial board. Put all these chips in there. See if it works. And that's another option, I guess. Oh well, more to come. Laters.